Hello, Lucy. Who
Hello,
is Lucy?
teacher.
Who is talking? Sorry, I can't see. Lucy, is it talking? The purple one. All right. Hi, Lucy. Hello? Lucy, I
Hi.
can't hear you. Is it Lucy
No,
or...
no say. Ask teacher.
Yeah, Lucy. Hello, Lucy.
No, teacher.
Oh, wow. All right. Hello, Lucy. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Wow, you're happy. Have you eat breakfast, Lucy?
Mm, I ate a fish in rice.
Fish and rice. Wow. And who cooked your breakfast, Lucy? Who cooked your breakfast? Is your mom cook your breakfast?
Mm, mm, Mom cooked.
My mom cooked my breakfast. Could you say it again?
Mom cooked my breakfast.
Okay. How is it? Is it yummy, Lucy? Is it yummy?
Yes.
All right, that's great. Okay, thank you so much for that, Lucy. All right, now let's have another one. Mm, is it Lisa?
Yes.
Hello, Lisa.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good. Thank you. About you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for asking, Lisa. All right. How about you, Lisa? Have you eat breakfast?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. What do you have for breakfast?
I don't know.
You forgot your breakfast?
Yes.
Hmm? What do you
Yes.
have for what do you have for breakfast?
Um, it's noodle
Noodles. Wow. Noodles and
and egg.
noodles and egg. Wow. All right, that's great. Thank you so much. All right, thank you. All right, so noodles. Slurp, slurp. Okay, thank you so much. All right, now, thank you, Lisa. How about, is it Alex? Alex, is it Alex? Hello? Oh, you have
Love
that. Hi, Alex. Hi.
the teacher.
Hi, good morning. All right, how are you today, Alex?
I'm teacher, I have many cats.
Yeah, I saw the cats on your back. Wow. All right, how are you today, Alex?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Have you eat breakfast, Alex? Did you eat breakfast? Yeah?
I ate pasta.
Wow, you ate pasta. And who cooked pasta for you, Alex? Who cooked pasta? Is it spaghetti? Alex, is it spaghetti?
Yes,
Oh, I like spaghetti. Who cooked spaghetti for you?
my mother.
Your mom cooked spaghetti. Wow, thank you so much for that, Alex. All right, guys. All right, so my name is Everly again. All right, so for now, I will be your teacher, okay? Is it okay, guys? Wow, you have a cutie, how's it? Cats on your back, Lisa. That's great.
I like I like cat.
You like cats?
Yes.
Wow, me too. I like cats and dog. Wow, and Alex is on the collage room now. Oh, you too. Wow, that's great. Yeah, who likes cat?
My
You, Lisa, Alex, and ah, yes, everybody likes cats. Do you have cats at home, guys? Do you have cats at home?
no.
No. All right. Okay. So yes, Alex don't have cats as well. All right. So I have cat and his name is Sai. So she is a girl. Yes, and she is color white, but she is downstairs. She's sleeping now. Okay, and Lucy has pie. No, sorry. What fruit is that? It's watermelon. Is it correct, Lucy? Yes. Do you like watermelon?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Okay. Guys, thank you so much. All right. So, could you please help me? All right. Could you please help me find your lesson? Okay. All right. I will share to you the material. Please tell me what page you are now. Okay. Okay, let me share. Can you see my screen, everybody? Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Thank you so much for that. And there's no page here. All right. So, guys, can you tell me what page are you here on your lesson? Who can remember? Okay, tell me if I need to stop. Okay. Okay, just this one. Are you done with here? Guys, are you done? This one? Who can remember your last lesson, guys? How about this one? Are you done here? Okay, one moment, guys, okay? Because I don't know the page. Okay. Okay, just a moment, guys.
What's this? No one's lunch.
All right. Okay, here, page 21.
Auntie
Right
one.
here, 21. All right. Now, can you remember now?
Yes.
Okay, and sorry. Okay, one moment. Let me download this one first so that I can't do anyone. All right, so who can tell me what did you learn on the last lesson? Okay, how about Lisa? Can you tell me what did you learn last lesson? How about this one? Do you remember what do you learn this lesson? Lisa?
No.
No, do you forgot what you learned last lesson? Okay, let me remember, let me remind you guys. Okay, let me, one moment, please. Okay, ta-da! All right, here. Okay, one moment. Let me share again my screen to you. Page 21.
Page 21. I'm
Yes.
gonna have a book.
Do you have a book?
No.
No. Oh, okay. It's okay. I will share to you these books. You have, Alex? Do you have? Do you have this book? So did you colored some coloring book there or some coloring there? Some coloring page?
Ready.
Yes, already. Okay, guys. Let
I get
us.
it.
Sorry?
The what that is ready. It's
What?
not ready.
Oh, sorry. Could you say it again?
The what that is lunch ready.
Oh, you already done with that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, let us review. Okay, because last of the previous teacher said it's oh you already on page 21. Okay, so what did you learn for this lesson on page 20? Okay, who can read? Who can read? Who can volunteer reading? Okay, you can raise your hand, guys, if you want, if you have, if you know how to read. How about Elsa? Do you know how to read this one? Elsa?
Eating out.
Eating out. That's a very good. Perfect. That's correct. Eating out. All right, now let's have. Oh yes, yes. Yes, I know that. Yeah, just we, reviewing, Alex. So 32. Oh, all right. She said 21. 32. Not 20. Not 21. Not guys. Alex, is it not 21? It's 20, 32. Have you done with this? This one? Have you
No.
done?
No.
Finished? Not yet?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, finish. Okay. Tell me if you finish it, okay? 21. How about this one?
Finish. Ready.
Finished. Okay, thank you. How about this one?
Finish.
Okay. Done? Done?
Finish. Finish. It's done.
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 Okay.
Done. Finish. No.
Oh, this
Done.
one?
Done. Done.
Done. Okay. How about this one?
Done. Yes. Finish.
Finished.
Done. Finish. Done. Finish. Done. 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 Okay. Not finished.
Not finished. Okay. Now let's move on to flyers practice test. Okay, so here guys, let's have switching rules. Okay, so everybody will read the sentences. Okay, guys? So we are 5 here. So one by one, you will read and answer the pictures or the sentence. Okay? All right, me first. All right, listen carefully. And then next, number 2 is Elsa. Number 3 will Lucy. Number 4 will be Alex. And number 5 will be Lisa.
Lisa.
Okay, Lisa, number 5. All right, remember your numbers.
Alright.
All right, now let's start. So, hello, I'm Hari, and today's it's Thursday. I didn't have a very good morning. At half past 10, which was during my break time, I had to go to see head teacher. My geography teacher said it was because I was talking in the classroom, but actually it was my friend David. So I didn't tell my teacher, or yeah, I didn't tell my geography teacher that. All right, now, okay, number two. Lucy, number two. Oh, why? Hello, Lucy. All right, can you read it now?
Number 2 is tail.
Number two.
Tail.
This afternoon.
This afternoon in your history lesson we tell all about colors.
Mhm. About castle.
About castle.
It was. It was. Okay, and after.
And after class, the teacher.
All right, number three. Who is number three? Alex? Hello? Alex? Hello? Oh, where is Alex now? All right, Alex, number three.
No.
Mhm. Okay, what did it say? And after the class, the teacher. What is the answer here? The teacher. Go ahead. Do you know? The teachers told or tell us a letter of a, or gave us. Say it, gave us. Alex. Okay, repeat after me, Alex. Okay, the teacher gave us. Alex, can you hear me? The teacher, number three, the teacher gave us.
The teacher taught us a letter for our parents.
I read,
Guys.
I read it on my way home. I read.
Guys,
Say it again. I read it.
um,
Go ahead. I read it on the way
guys,
home. Okay, repeat after me, Alex. Okay, and I gave. Alex. And I gave. Alex. Alex. Oh, Where are you now? All right, can you repeat after me? And I gave Alex. Oh, Alex is sleeping maybe. Oh, Alex, where are you now? Alex? All right, we can't hear you.
Mm,
Okay, repeat after teacher, okay? All right? All right, repeat
oh,
after me. And
yes,
I gave, say it with me.
yes,
And I gave the letter Alex. And I gave the letter. Oh, all right. And who will read number 3? All right, maybe Lisa. Lisa, could you read number 3? Elsa, I mean Elsa, I'm sorry. Elsa, could you read number 3?
yes.
Okay, goodbye. All right, now let's have the
Mama.
teacher. Say the teacher.
The teacher gave us a letter for our brother.
Uh-huh. I
I
read.
is on my way home. What uh,
And I gave
and I give
the letter
the letter for our
to
brother.
mom and dad.
The mom and dad when I got
Got
home
got home.
home
Mhm.
his evening. My sister Holly has the same letter.
We
We were
really
really
okay. Now Lisa number 4. All right, now you can have number 4, Lisa, because Alex didn't read number 3. All right, now Lisa number 4. We really
were we really
excited.
is
Excited
excited
about
about it that was a bit unhappy. He
uh,
said
the
the
the trip was
was too
too expensive.
extensive.
Uh-huh.
Then,
Then
Mum
mom
read the little cup
carefully,
carefully and she thought
she
it
thought,
was
one more time, she thought
she thought
it would
it was be good for
for
us to
to
go on a trip with friends. It
eight
is it
weeks
which
and
until
we
we go. I can't wait.
I can't wait. Wow. All right, very good guys. So you keep up the good work, okay? All right, good job everybody. Okay. Now, do you have any questions? How about Alex? Do you have any questions? Alex, do you have any questions? Okay. Now, do you have any questions, guys? Do you have questions?
No.
No questions. Okay, since you don't have any questions, let's move on to another page. All right, so do you remember what Harry good news? What Harry good news? Who can, all right, who can tell me what's Harry's good news? Hmm? What's Harry's good news? Harry's good news is they have they had a school or they were going to, who can say? Lisa, they're going to go to school. Lisa, school. All right, how about Lucy? Lucy? All right, where did they go? They will go on a school trip, right?
Yes.
School trip, right? They will go to a school trip to Castle. Does you guys go to Castle before? Who goes to Castle? Hmm? Who went to Castle before? Did you all go to Castle before? Did you see Castle? Hmm? Who see Castle? All right, let me share to you a castle. Okay, one moment.
Castle.
Castle like, okay, not like Disneyland or, okay, one moment. Let me share to you. Okay, this one. Okay, hmm? Who go to a castle? Who went here? This is castle. Have you been in castle? Like in the Disneyland?
Yes.
Yes, Elisa, have you been Disneyland? Yeah? Have
Yeah.
you been Disneyland? Wow. All right. And what did you see in Disneyland? Hmm?
I see I
What did you see?
um see see
Did you see Mickey and Minnie there?
wait. I see the alcohol.
Alcohol?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Why? Okay, thank you so much for that. Yeah, before I went to Disneyland Castle, so I see Elsa, Anna, Cinderella, how is it? Snow White, right? Do you know who knows Disney princess?
Wow.
Who know Disney princess like Cinderella and Cinderella and Elsa? Or okay, who can tell me? All right, so that is a castle. Okay, Now let's go back here. Okay, now let's have okay, so flyers practice test. Okay, so let's have listen then example. So I don't have listening music for that. All right, so let's skip this one first. Okay, so let's answer this one. Okay, who can answer? Okay, so this words in okay outside the paper is the answer. Okay, so you will read the sentence and then you will fill in the blanks. Okay, right, but one moment. Okay, who will answer first? All right, let me ask Lucy first. Lucy, all right, can you read number one? Lucy, hello.
Yes.
Okay, can you read number one?
A, a very small animal with a sail on its back.
Okay, number one, you use this to cut card and paper. What do you use?
I don't know.
What do you think is the answer? Okay, you use this to cut cards and paper. So is it geography, honey, chemist, bank, uh, cooker, history, scissors,
I don't
chopsticks?
know.
You don't know? All right. So that thing is cutting using the scissor. Okay, so you will use scissor to cut paper and say it with me. It's scissor. Lucy, say it with me. Scissor.
The teacher.
Sorry, yes. Okay, so can you repeat after me? Scissor.
Teacher.
Very good. All right, now let's have number two. Okay, who can answer number two? How about Elsa? Elsa, number two, can you read and answer?
It's number two. Number
You number two, you have to be good at number to do this subject. Okay. Choose oh sorry. Choose your answer here. So okay, so we have pizzas, maths, biscuit, jam, mm, fridge, post office, geography, honey, chemist, bank, cooker, history, scissors, and chopsticks. What do you think is the answer for number 2? Lisa?
Is a geograph.
It's geography.
Yes.
Oh, I think it's math because we are good at numbers here. Okay? Okay, good girl. All right, now let's have number 3. Let's have Alex. Alex? Okay, could you read number
Um,
1 and number 3 and answer it?
no. Number three.
Mm-hmm.
No.
These are
Pizza.
pizza. Wow, very good. All right, so these are made with flour, butter, and
Pizza.
sugar. Very good. So that is correct. Pizza. Okay, now let's have mhm. Let's have who else didn't answered? Okay, so you will all guys answered this one. Okay, how about Lisa? Lisa again. Lisa, number 4. When you study this subject, you can learn fact about life in the past. Okay, can you guess?
Bum, 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 bum. Uh, sh- the geography.
Yes, very good. Geography. Say it again. Geography.
Geography.
Okay, that's wonderful. Okay. Now let's go back to Lucy. Lucy, okay, can you please read and answer number 5? Lucy, you can eat food with this. What you gonna use? You will,
You,
it's
it is in a bowl with a spoon. It warm and use some careful in it.
number 5, Lucy. Sorry, number 5. You can eat food with this. It's
A strawberry.
this one. Read this one. Chop. It's chop.
It's
Ch- chops. What you gonna use when you are eating? You use chopstick, right?
chopstick.
Yes, chopstick. Okay, very good. Okay, one moment. Okay, now let's have Lisa. Lisa, I sorry, Lisa for number 6. Okay, Lisa, it's your turn. Lisa, 6. This is very sweet.
That is honey.
Honey. Yes, very good. That's correct. It's honey. Okay, now let's have. All right. Let's have Alex for number 7. Alex, 7, please. Alex. Oh, Alex, where are you now? Alex, I know you can do that. So number 7, when you save a lot of money, you can keep some of it here. So it's a
What number?
number 7. It's a, what is it called? It's
Bank.
bank. Very good. Okay, that's wonderful. Good job. Okay, now let's move on to Lucy. No, Lucy, not Lucy. It's Lisa. Lisa? All right. Lisa for number 8. Okay, Lisa, are you ready? I will read. You can answer it, okay? All right, number 8. If you want to know about the world we live in, it good to study this subject.
Um, chemist.
Chemist, very good. Okay, that's wonderful. All right, now number 9, Lucy. Lucy, are you ready? Lucy, you're hiding? All right, so I will answer. I will read. Okay, you will answer it.
You
Number,
will to this morning to do exam uh, on sports.
okay, number 9, Lucy. Number 9. So we put butter in here to keep it
Uh,
cold. Uh-huh. It's
I answer is a gym.
this one. Look here. It's a
Gym.
hmm? It's a fridge. Is it? It's a fridge. Is it correct? Fridge. Can you read fridge? Jim, we put butter in here to keep it cold. So gym is the place where um where adult person work out like they are, making exercise. So that is gym. So the answer for number 9 is fridge. Say it again. Fridge.
Uh,
Fridge. Okay, very good, Lucy. All right, the last one is Elsa. Elsa, number 10. Okay, place where you can buy envelope and stamps.
uh, is first
Post. So, a place where you can buy envelopes and stamps. It's on post, post.
is post office.
Okay, very good, everybody. All right, because you did well, and of course, you make your best to Okay, to answer all the questions. Okay, one moment. Okay, now do you have questions? Do you have questions, guys? Who have a question? Who have questions, guys? Do you have any question? Yeah, you can ask teacher if you have question. Yeah, say good job. Right, good job. Okay, that's wonderful, Lisa. Okay, so you have a kitty. Wow. Thank you so much. All right. Woo. Alex is dancing. All right. All right. That's perfect, guys. So keep it up. Keep up the good work. Oh, all right. Now, do you have any questions here? Questions? No more questions? Hmm? Do you have any questions? None so far? Yeah, so now that's it. Okay, now let's have, okay, let me see if I can, yes, still I can't write it. All right, now let's move on to the next page. Okay, revision. All right, do you know how to answer this one? Who will know how to answer this? Hmm? Guys, do you know how to answer puzzle? Yeah, so I don't have any pencils here. All right, for this time, let's skip this one because I don't have any pencil. I can't write down. So, yeah, maybe we will do it later. You have books, right? You have books of this one. Who have a book? Who have a book? Okay, let's answer number 2. Okay, now let's start with Alex. Okay, Alex. Okay, can you tell me what object is number 1? Alex? Alex, I know you can do it.
Don't remember.
You can't remember. Okay, it's and say it again. It's envelope.
Envelope.
Envelope. Very good. Okay, now let's have Lisa. Lisa, please answer number 2. This is using cutting vegetables, fruits. Alex, don't mute. All right, Lisa. Using it's a knife. Say it with me. Knife.
Knife.
Good girl. Okay, now let's have Elsa. Elsa, please read or please answer number 3. Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. All right, I'm sorry. Okay, now let's have number 3. Elsa,
Yes.
it's it's putting on a neck when
It's,
during winter.
it's a scout.
Very good. It's a scarf. Okay, now let's move on to Lucy. Lucy, it's your turn. Okay, number 4. Look at the picture. Lucy. It's a uh,
Number 4 is dog.
yes, it's a dog. Very good, Lucy. Okay, now let's go back to Alex. Alex, please read and answer number 5. Alex? Alex. All right, Elsa. Yes,
Is
Elsa.
number 5 is deck.
Desk. Say it. Desk.
Desk.
Okay, very good, Elsa. All right, that's great, guys. Okay, if you know how to answer it, now you can raise your hand. All right, now let's have Lisa. Lisa, number 6. It's BOOK. Okay, let us give okay a chance for others, Elsa. Okay, so you did the great job. Yes, Lisa. It's it's a mm, it's a it's a what is it? Oh, sorry. So you can see it. It's a
Is what's number?
it's number 6. What is it? It's a
Oh,
yes, it's a book. Very good. Okay, that's correct. It's a book. Okay, good job, everybody. All right, now let's move on to another topic. Okay, let's have number 3, the dialogue. Okay, so everything, anything. Okay, guys, read it with me. Read it after me. Anything. Guys, everybody? Anything. Oops.
anything,
Anything. Everywhere.
everywhere,
Very good. Nothing.
nothing,
Everyone.
everyone,
Something.
something,
No one.
no one.
Okay, very good. All right, now this time, guys, let's have a role play. Okay? So this time I will okay, who wants to read with me? Who do you want? All right, Elsa again? No one?
Yeah,
Okay, Elsa. All right, Elsa, you will read the girl one and I will read mom. Okay? All right. Okay, let's start. Mom?
Mom, when you go to town, will you buy a present for my friend? Helen is her party this afternoon. Okay, Katie, I do my best.
All right. So, okay, Katie, I'll do my best. Okay, very good, Elsa. Okay, now, so, uh, this time, my daughter was Lisa. Lisa, could you read? Okay, could you read with me? Okay, you will read the girl one. You read Katie, and I will read mom. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now let's start. Mom?
Mom, when you go to town, will you buy a present for my friend Helen?
It's
It's her birthday
uh,
party
yes.
this afternoon.
Okay, Katie, I'll do my best. Okay, very good again, Lisa. All right, now let's have Alex. Alex, okay, please read Katie. I will read mom. Alex, Alex,
Mom,
please read Katie. Mom,
when you go to town, will you buy a present for my friend Helen? It's her birthday. It is afternoon.
okay, very good. Okay, Katie, I'll do my best. All right, that's perfect. All right, the last one is Lucy. Lucy, please read Katie, and I will read Mom. Okay, go ahead. Mom,
Mom, when you go to town, will you buy a present for my friend Helen? It's her party this afternoon.
okay,
Okay, Kathy,
Katie, I'll do my
and
best.
do my best.
Okay, so guys, you're so good, or you did well on today's lesson. Okay, now let's move on. So let's answer, fill in the blanks again. So I will ask someone to answer the questions. Okay, but you guys all answered. Okay, when I call your name, all right, turn on your mic and answered my questions. Okay. If you don't know the answer, you will tell me, teacher, please help me. And I will help you. Okay? Is it okay? Guys, okay? All right. If you don't know the answer, tell me, teacher, please help me. I don't know the answer. Is it clear, guys? All right. Now let's start with Elsa. Elsa? Okay. I will read mom. You will read Katie. Okay? I've got everything I need from the town.
And this you guys are raisins for Haley Mom.
I'm really sorry, Katie. I looked everywhere, but I couldn't find anything for Helen or for something for Helen. Katie, I
I
don't.
don't want to go to
I,
the party, thanks Mom. I gave
I've got
I gave
everyone.
I gave everyone to give
Or
her
sorry, anything to give her.
anything
Anything.
to give her
So
everyone
everyone. Mhm. Goes.
everyone go to a party without a reasons Mom.
Don't worry, go and see. No one at the party have a good time. I'll get um I'll get something for Katie and you can give it to her at the end.
Thanks Mom.
Okay, very good. All right, now let's move on. Okay, now it's Lisa's turn. Lisa, you will read Kathy and I will read Mom. Okay? Let's have a role play. Okay, I've got everything I need from the town. Lisa, and Lisa, turn on your mic. Okay, now. And
And this you get a present for Helen Mom.
I'm really sorry, Katie. I looked everywhere, but I couldn't find something for Helen. I don't.
I don't want to go to the party then Mom.
I've
I
got.
I will
I've got
I'm got
nothing.
nothing to give her.
Everyone.
Everyone got to uh party without a reason, Mom.
Don't worry, go and see. Um, Nothing at the party have a good time, or everyone at the party have a good time. I'll get something for Katie, and you can give it for her at the end.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, that's very good, Lisa. Okay, perfect. Okay, now let's have Lucy. Lucy, please turn on your mic. Okay, now let's read. Okay, I've got everything I need from the town. Lucy? And? And did? Lucy? Read Kate.
Is I guess a person for Helen, Mom. I'm
Oh,
really sorry, Kitty.
alright. Okay. Lucy, I will read mom. You will read Katie, okay? Alright, so I'm really sorry, Katie. I looked everywhere, but I couldn't find something for Helen. Okay, Lucy? I don't.
I don't want to go to a party thing. Mom, I
Everyone.
don't
Right.
got
Sorry. Nothing to give her. Nothing.
nothing to give her.
Everyone.
Everyone is to the party
Without. Without. Without a present.
without a person. Mom,
Don't worry. Go and see. Uh, everyone at the party. Have a good time. I'll get something for Katie, and can you give it to her at the end? Lucy? Thanks.
thanks, Mom.
Okay, very good also, Lucy. All right, so the last one is, oh, where is Alex now? Alex?
Mom.
All right, Alex, it's your turn. Alex, please turn on your mic.
Mm,
Okay, now, Alex, like same of the girls, you will read Kathy and I will read mom, okay? So it's easy. We will read it only. Okay, let's have a role play, Alex. I've got everything I need from town. Alex? And did?
I'm really sorry, Taxi. I look something, but I can't find
Oh,
not the sometimes to no one to Helen.
oh, all right. So you will read Katie. And did you get a present for Helen mom? Alex? All right. All right, Alex, could you read Katie? I don't want
I don't want to go the party. Then mom, I got
any
something to
nothing,
give her.
nothing to give her. Okay.
Uh,
Everyone, Alex. Okay. Everyone goes to party.
we won't go to party without a present, mom.
Don't worry. Go and see. Okay. Everyone at the party have a good time. I'll get something for Katie and you can give it to her at the end. Thank,
Huh?
thanks, mom. Thanks, mom. Okay. All right. That's wonderful. Okay, guys, do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? Question. No more question? No questions, guys? Do you have questions or not? No questions, everybody? No questions? All right. Since you don't have any questions, guys, all right. So I think that would be all for today. Yes, you did all great. You did all great job for our class or our lesson today. All right. And I'm happy to meet you all today. All right. Good job, everybody. All right, guys. Are you sleepy? All right, can you give me a smile before we end? Guys, can you give me a smile? Lisa, Elsa, Lizzie, and Alex. I can see you, Alex. All right, thank you so much for the balloons, Lisa. Okay, now that would be all for today. Okay, Alex, you're dancing. Wow. All right, so thank you so much, guys. So that would be all for today. So teacher will say goodbye. Good job, everybody, and yeah, see you again next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Lisa. Goodbye, Lizzie. Goodbye, Alex. Goodbye, Lisa. Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, girls. Good job.
Yeah.